Welcome. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on ChatGPT. So first of all, you need to make sure that you're on the web page of it, which is the chat.openai.com. So as you can see here on the left side, there is no option about changing the language of it. So you just need to right click on the page and click this translate to Filipino, and then go ahead and go at the upper part of your screen and click this three little dots, which is the translate options, and then choose another language, and then click this drop down button or menu. Then you can now choose whatever language you want. For example, I'm going to choose French, and then click translate, and then there you have it. And if you want to change it to the original language, you just need to do the steps again. Right click, translate, then go to the translate options, choose another language, then the drop down button, then I'm going to choose the English, then click translate, and there you have it. Your language is now changed, and you're done. And I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next video, and have a great day.